Welcome back to the Ultimate Trading Podcast for Beginners. Today, we're focusing on tip number 7, use a demo account. Now, if there's one single piece of advice I'd give to any trader just starting out, it's this: never rush into real trading before you've honed your skills in a risk-free environment. A demo account is exactly that, a training ground, a sandbox, and an essential tool for anyone serious about trading. Let's start with the basics. A demo account is a simulated trading environment offered by most brokers. It mirrors real market conditions, complete with live quotes, charts, and order execution. The key difference? You're trading with virtual money, so you can make mistakes without financial consequences. But here's the important part: just because the money is virtual doesn't mean the lessons are any less real. Every decision, every trade, and every emotional reaction is practice for the real world. Many novice traders underestimate the value of a demo account. They think, I know the theory, I've read the books, I've watched the webinars, why not just start trading with real money? But the truth is, the markets are unpredictable and even the most seasoned traders face uncertainty every single day. A demo account allows you to experience that unpredictability without the risk of losing your capital. Let me tell you a story about a trader I know. Let's call her Sarah. Sarah was an accountant in her early 30s. She had been attending financial seminars and reading about trading for years. The idea of financial independence was appealing, but she didn't have any experience in the markets and didn't want to risk her savings. So, she opened a demo account with a well-known broker, starting with a virtual €10,000, the same amount she eventually planned to invest. What Sarah did right, and what most traders often skip, was treat the demo account as if it were real money. She set clear goals, defined risk limits, and even maintained a trading journal. She tracked every trade she made, recording her strategy, the market conditions, and the outcome. This level of diligence turned her demo trading from mere practice into a real learning experience. She experimented with 3 different approaches: day trading, swing trading, and position trading. Day trading involved making multiple trades within a day, trying to capture short-term movements. Initially, this was exciting, but she quickly realized it was stressful and often led to impulsive decisions. Swing trading, holding positions for days or weeks, suited her analytical mindset better. She had time to study the market, confirm trends, and make calculated entries and exits. Position trading, with trades lasting months, showed promise but demanded patience and a deeper understanding of fundamentals. Through 6 months of disciplined demo trading, Sarah developed not just strategies, but emotional resilience. She learned how to handle the stress of losing trades, the excitement of winning trades, and the temptation to overtrade. And this is a critical lesson for all traders: trading isn't just about numbers and charts, it's about managing yourself. As Tudor Jones once said, don't focus on making money, focus on protecting what you have. A demo account is the perfect place to practice that principle. You're not chasing profit, you're building discipline, understanding risk, and learning to make rational decisions. Now, let's talk about some practical ways to use a demo account effectively. First, set realistic goals. Treat it as if it's real money. Apply risk management rules, decide on a maximum percentage of your virtual capital per trade, use stop-loss orders, and stick to them. Second, maintain a trading journal. Recording your trades, strategies, and observations is crucial for reflection and improvement. Third, simulate real trading conditions. Trade at the same hours you would in live markets, and make the same types of decisions. The more you mirror real trading, the smoother your transition will be. Another tip is to review and analyze your trades regularly. Look for patterns in your successes and failures. Did you tend to make impulsive decisions at certain times of day? Did a particular strategy work better under certain market conditions? The feedback loop you create during demo trading is what accelerates your learning curve. And when you feel confident, transition gradually to real trading. Start with a small amount of capital, maybe 10% or 20% of what you plan to trade eventually, and scale up as you gain experience and confidence. Many traders make the mistake of going all in immediately, only to find out that real money triggers emotions that a demo account never could. I also want to stress the psychological benefits. One of the biggest advantages of a demo account is emotional control. When you see a trade move against you in a demo, the sting isn't as sharp, but the learning is still there. You get to practice patience, discipline, and decision-making under pressure, skills that are invaluable once real money is on the line. Sarah's journey is a perfect example. After 6 months of disciplined practice, she transitioned to a real account with €2,000, focusing on swing trading because it had produced the most consistent results in her demo account. Her initial real trades reflected the success she had in practice, and over time, she increased her capital while refining her strategies. Today, Sarah trades with confidence, a well-structured plan, and the emotional resilience to navigate market volatility, all because she invested time in a demo account. And here's the takeaway for you: a demo account is more than just a toy. It's a critical stepping stone to becoming a successful trader. It allows you to experiment, learn from mistakes, build strategies, and cultivate the emotional discipline necessary for real trading. Remember, the goal isn't just to win trades, it's to develop the mindset and skills to win consistently over time. Before we wrap up, here's a question for you: what's one strategy or approach you've been hesitant to try in live trading, and how could you experiment with it safely in a demo account first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Sharing your experiences not only helps others, it also helps you clarify your own approach. In summary, tip number 7 underscores the power of preparation. Use a demo account seriously, set realistic goals, maintain a trading journal, simulate real conditions, and transition gradually to live trading. Continuous practice, reflection, and learning are the keys to long-term success. As Warren Buffett once said, the most important investment you can make is in yourself. A demo account is exactly that, an investment in your skills, confidence, and future as a trader. So take the time, be patient, practice diligently, and let your demo account guide you toward becoming a disciplined, confident, and successful trader. The markets are waiting, but your readiness will determine your success.
Thank you for listening to the 101 Trading Tips in the Ultimate Trading Podcast, brought to you by bellsforex.com AudioWorks. We hope this episode gave you insights, perspective, and practical ideas to strengthen your trading mindset and improve your decision-making. Stay disciplined, keep learning, and remember, every trade is a step toward building your edge. If you found value in today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Sharing the podcast with fellow traders helps us grow and bring even more free trading education to the community. Visit us anytime at bellsforex.com for resources, guides, and tools to support your trading journey. Until next time, trade smart, stay disciplined, and keep building your edge. Happy trading.